Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can sort by date in Excel. Okay, if you have data like date and contain, then you can sort your data by the dates. So I'll show you perfect process. So let's start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Excel sheet. Let me zoom in to show you. Okay, here you can see we have data like a new client and date. Okay, so if I want to sort this by data, first thing what we can do, just select your column of dates or just select the dates only. Okay, if you are using the dates only in these columns in the rest of cell, then you can select the all columns like this. Right click on it, go to the format cell and make sure you have selected that date format for this column and click OK. Okay, now what you can do, just select the date with the data. Okay, I have select name with the date. Okay, go to the data option here. Okay, and here you can see the option called sort. Just click on it, and now here we need to sort by date. Okay, and here sale value, and here you need to select which order you want, like order to newest or newest to oldest. So I just select newest to oldest and just click OK. You can see now this data has been sort by date. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.